Welcome to LynxPDF, your professional, secure, and efficient PDF solution made for modern teams. In this video, we'll show you how to use our admin console feature to streamline your PDF workflow and boost productivity. To access the admin console, head over to the LynxPDF website. In the top navigation bar, click Products and then click Admin Console. This will take you to the login page. Enter your business email and password to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, click Don't Have an Account at the bottom. A pop-up form will appear. Fill in your name and business email, then click Send to receive a verification code. Check your email inbox, enter the code, and complete the rest of the form. Click Submit to finish registration. Every new account comes with a 14-day free trial, including 5 licenses to get your team started right away. After logging in, you'll land on the admin console dashboard. Or you can click Login on the top right corner. Same steps to log in. After that, click the character icon, choose Admin Console, and then you are on the Admin Console dashboard, where you can see the current license allocation at a glance. You'll also find quick tools here. These are the shortcuts to common tasks. Alternatively, use the left side toolbar to explore more admin features. Now let's walk through how to manage your team and licenses in detail. Let's start with Team Management. Under this section, you'll find 3 tabs: Manage Team, Manage Member, and Manage Admin. In the Manage Team tab, you can create, delete, or edit teams, for example, different departments in your organization. Click the Create button in the top right corner to add a new team. In the Setup form, enter a team name and description, and assign a team administrator. You'll also need to allocate a number of licenses to the team. This determines how many users in that team can access LynxPDF. For example, we'll create a business department, assign someone as the team admin, and give the team 2 licenses. Click Save, and your new team will be added to the list. Back in the Manage Team list, you'll see the newly created business department. From here, you can edit or delete the team at any time. Now let's go to Manage Member. There are 2 tabs here: Directory Users and Invited Users. In Directory Users, you can manage SSO members and see their recent activity. By the way, we will dedicate a special video to introducing the SSO feature. In Invited Users, click Add Member to invite someone new. To invite a single user, just enter their email address, name, and assign them to a team. Then click Add. You can also click Add in Batch to invite multiple users at once. First, download the sample Excel template by clicking the blue link. Fill out the spreadsheet with each member's email, name, and assigned team. Save the file, return to the admin console, upload the completed spreadsheet, and click Add. Once uploaded, you'll see your invited users listed here. Click Allocate Benefits to assign licenses to them. If there are any changes later, you can always edit or delete users as needed. In Manage Admin, you can assign admin roles to team leaders. Click Add Admin in the top right. Enter the admin's email address, select the team they should manage, and click Add. As with other sections, you can edit or remove admin roles at any time. Now let's move on to License Management, where you can handle user access efficiently. In the Manage License tab, all team members are listed. You can remove a license from a user or assign a license to those who don't have one yet. You can also go to the Assign License tab to assign licenses either to individuals or to entire teams at once. Under Batch Cancel, you can manage license removal in bulk. Simply check the members you want to remove and click Remove. Alternatively, click Remove from Excel. Download the sample Excel template, enter the email addresses of the users you want to remove, upload the completed file, and click Remove. LynxPDF will handle the rest. In the Device Management section, you can unbind devices that are no longer in use. This frees up the license, allowing it to be reassigned to a new device when needed. helping you make the most of your license pool. That covers the core features of the admin console. You can also purchase LynxPDF licenses directly within the console and view your order history in the Order tab. If you need help at any point, click Support to contact us, or download the Admin Console guidelines for step-by-step assistance. That's it for Admin Console feature. With LynxPDF, managing your documents doesn't have to be complicated, just smart and seamless. Try it out, and we'll see you in the next video.